Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert JPG picture in Adobe Express. So let's started. At first, open your Adobe Express document. Now you can see, now we show the new interface in the Adobe Express. Now convert JPG. Now scroll your mouse. Now we show the convert JPG. Now click from convert to JPG. Now click. Now we can see that it show the menu picture. Now select from menu picture. Now click from open. Now you can see. Now click for open in editor option. This picture in the JPG form convert. This JPG format. Now click from download option. Now select from JPG and click from download option. Now open the download. Now open the file. That is. Now you can see convert JPG picture in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.